Welcome back to Age of Mythology, everybody. In the last episode, we legitimately lost Chiron. So in this episode, we're going to build a hammer. In episode 29, Unlikely Heroes, we do get to build a hammer. Ish, building hammers is fun. Let's go. Look, it's a big-ass root. From the World Tree, Yggdrasil, I believe it is. Oh, dwarves.
All of you, take cover. Someone is coming.
Chiron was a great warrior. We will not forget his sacrifice.
What do we do now?
Wait, what is this?
You? How did you get here?
We followed you.
Why didn't you just come with us?
Loki, he tries to fool us. Our mission is too important to trust strangers.
What mission?
Before Gargarensis came to the north, Loki tricked Thor and smashed his hammer.
Somehow he did that.
We have been tasked with making a new one. I have to get the haft from a piece of the taproot. Eitri has the hammer head. We are supposed to meet.
And if Thor has his hammer, he will seal the gate.
Yeah, we're just gonna build a new goddamn... Why the hammer's name is completely escapes me. I know that hammer's name, it's Mjolnir.
Reinforcements to the well.
Yeah, so we need to mine gold for reinforcements. But we also need to make sure this is dug down. So we're gonna send like 4 of them.
The enemy is too strong for us to fight.
We got a goddamn ram set up. But I can't break this one, so I have to finish the hammer before they show up, essentially. Trolls? Kill the trolls? Kill the trolls? Kill the trolls? Oh, wait, you can also, like, mine, so I don't want to already have you do that. We use the goon squad, but it is the goon squad, but it's minus Chiron because he's dead. Taproot trunk, yeah, it's a taproot. It's like the yeah, it's taproot. So we gotta keep them free, basically. I don't think this mission is very long. It is a no build mission, so I can't actually build anything. I can't turn them into Ulfsock. Oh, he's here already. Like, these guys have no buildings, they can't build, and I don't have any resources. I gotta get these guys. Yeah. Group 2, Group 1. We gotta make sure these guys... Ash, we have reinforcements, that's exactly what I wanted.
Before the one-eye returns.
Yeah, I don't think this mission is very hard or that long. There's a fire giant. Okay. Get these wolves out. Kill him. I want to do like protect here. I feel like the heroes kind of got this whole area over here. Are you through yet?
We're free.
Grace. Great, not Grace. God damn it, I missed the goddamn bottom, silly me. There we go. You have to head this way. Check out you guys mine here a little. While we take a look. Oh, it's an actual chimera. Oh, reinforcement. Oh, dwarves. Get on this. Well, going by how fast this is already going down, this is not a long mission, no. That is a lot. Just, yeah, they can probably handle it, though. But these are stronger myth units, so the cycles are pretty tough. Yeah, I'm just getting through my dudes here.
Reinforcements from the surface.
Reinforcements. We might want to send these reinforcements to help out E3. Because he's getting his shit kicked in. He is getting his shit kicked in. Oh, fire giants. Oh, really? You're gonna bring in minions? I'm not gonna be able to do much. It's just E3 now, basically. We have to go get them. So send up this force, we get the goon squad, and...
The Nidhogg is coming.
Oh, the Nidhogg! We bring him back.
She's the only one who can defeat the beast.
Rainleaf! Rainleaf! We need specifically Rainleaf to take care of the Nidhogg. He'll do a lot of damage to it.
Reinforcements from the surface.
No, focus on Rainleaf, please. Just go mine, I guess. But he's just gonna go after this because of course he is. Oh, that's just perfect. Work on that then. I got another one, cool. Because the game is like, oh, you lost it, here's another one. You stop going after them? Yes, attack Rainleaf, finally. She can actually goddamn take it.
Look out! The enemy has broken through the rockfall.
Oh. Have they now? Are we gonna reunite them?
Reinforcements from the surface.
Have to reunite them. Because here comes a whole fucking army. Get on, fucking fix it. Die! Die, dragon bitch! Nidhogg, die!
Tilbúin? Tilbúin, já, ég vil. Já, satt. Tilbúin. Skipan. Ég vil.
A lot of them.
Tilbúin, já.
Já.
You guys done? Just about. Okay. All of you. We're going.
Skipan.
We have the handle. Now we just gotta get the handle through this and reunite it with leave a few dwarves behind to slow them down. And we just gotta get through. Get to the hammer. That's not doing any damage to it. Kill. Good. Move.
Tilbúin, ég vil. Hver það? Skipan.
Kill everything in your way.
Já. Hver það? Satt.
Okay, come on, smash through these stupid bananas. Banana trolls. Keep moving forward. Just attack in this direction. You can't just ignore him, kill him. Stab. Kill this fire giant. Yes, good job, good job. Murder. Great. Ah, yes. Get them together. Ah, there we go. A little stressful mission, but not too bad. Let's combine these two.
Kronos.
Finally, you are free.
Oh shit, they actually got the gate open? Just about. Oh, shitey bitey. Thor! Do something! Oh yeah, just stick it in that hole.
Yes. My reward.
He's getting his reward. Ah, fuck you. Yeah, Mjolnir seals it up. Ah, and the ground explodes. Cool. Everything's on fire. Yeah, that's that mission. I'll see you on the next one, which I believe is the last like Norse mission in the game. Alright, cool. See you then.